Yalla so tambara garala sambo si shkela garal. Ngi hema ya video suya na usulu BMC building management system achi machine sugar tadti heating and cooling and AC gil and in AC gi machine sugar BMS system sugar computer gi to falebe ni control bini gi training ci bedo o sika kan me shi motion na usul shushindo video sugar ma gi channel na hi dila empty hema gi video di gashti exertion troubleshooting on BMS troubleshooting through BMS and the troubleshooting of HVAC machine through a BMS system another the kachi di exertion mamrang theoretically verbally dila but mama verbally dela jazam bego an bego Dari be watching gachi is watching consequence like that. Dari watching on field troubleshooting na field na jo de ani ke science control la me an conseguir machine ang chi be kade on field conseguir into hin practical raten ni simbe tata tsugi na le na uski gar gi city chachuna diri ari bara city jina ashte tidam dawe video sunga gi sodira Yung chikalobe video sinashiro
Sir, let's take the first condition. Okay, due to any reason, if there is no power supply to the controller card. Okay, so at that condition the first troubleshooting will be to check whether the 24 volt DC is coming or not. Okay, so let's take, if you can see all the LEDs glowing here, it's none of the LEDs glowing. Okay, so that means there is no 24 volt DC to the controller. Okay, so if just this one is DC volt, no? Please see the drawing.
Let's try.
This is 24 volt DC. Okay,
24 DC volt is 13 and 14. So it's 13 down.
this last.
It's written here.
Yeah.
24
Always please see, rather than seeing the terminal numbers, okay, please see the dots or whether it is located in the center or in the
Side
end. Okay, so you can see the last two things. Okay, last 2 points. Okay, also they have given the description that which is the negative and which is the positive. Okay, so now please check.
Negative, positive, white. White is negative, no? DC है बना है इसको. Negative, positive.
AC
Sorry. ये DC है ना?
Yeah. Now it's in DC. Please check.
Oh, 24 volt is coming. 24.4.
Okay. So let's take if
Voltage
there
is
is
okay.
any condition.
Voltage is okay.
Yeah. If like if I remove the wire, no. Let's take. I remove the wire. Okay. Now as you can see, I have not removed the wire. Okay. Just the wire is loose.
Yes.
Okay. So it's no connection. You can see there is a loose contact. Okay. See, it's like that. So sometimes this condition can also arise. Okay. That our SMPS is working. So if even though if you get like here 24 volt or if you don't get 24 volt, just lose the wire. See whether it is properly crimped or not. Okay. And after testing here, just remove the both wires and connect directly to the multimeter. Okay. Now you can. Okay.
24 volt.
Sometimes if there is not proper crimping, okay, then you will also not get here 24 volt. And now if you don't get the 24 volt here, okay, at that time you have to remove this SMPS.
SMPS.
Okay.
It is sending
Yeah.
24 volt or not.
After removing SMPS, okay, you have to like I have shown down you the SMPS. Okay, remove the SMPS
And outgoing,
yeah,
outgoing voltage.
take the SMPS to the BMS room, make the connection and check, okay, whether the 24 volt is going or
Outgoing or
not,
not.
okay, or whether the SMPS has blown out, okay. At this condition you will be able to see whether what's the issue. Now please plug in the wire again.
هذا عاد مولي قلت
Yeah. Pure. No. You leave it, sir. Drawing, yeah, sir. Here is drawing. This is what about this. You 24 inch.
This way around
This one is, sir. Second. Third.
Sometimes this condition also can come, okay, as there are a lot of wire, they may be like the connector must have came out, okay, or sometimes the connector goes faulty, okay. So after checking on this terminal you have to check on the wires, okay. If that voltage is coming in the wire, then you have to change just only the connector, nothing else, okay. Sometimes this connector can also be loose, okay. See, if there is loose contact in between, the voltage will be gone out, okay, come again, go out, come again, go out, come, it's like that, okay. So this was the first troubleshooting. Second, the point is 24 volt AC from panel, okay. So please check, yeah.
24. This one is DC.
And this one is AC. Now I have kept it to 24 volt AC from panel.
24 volt AC from panel is.
Okay, please check.
24 volt AC from panel. This one is AC, no?
Yeah. Yeah, okay, I have kept already to AC.
Yes, 28 volt.
24
Okay.
27
Answer plus minus 5 हुन्छ
Yeah.
plus minus 5 आयो हो जाएन plus minus 5
That can.
now
Okay. So all the power supply
is okay.
is coming. Okay. Now let's check the wall AC supply.
valve AC
Okay.
supply 24 volt AC, no?
Just single. Can you give me?
19
त्यहाँ वाल पाएन
third one is earthing. What? Sir, this one is
कति आउनु पर्छ त्यो देखिदिनुहोस् नि हामी मोबाइलमा देख्छु
Third one is G0 for the earthing one.
earthing one, no? G0 is. Hi, sir.
पता खाएको नि टुम्बिङ गरेको
Now please check the 24 wall supply. Okay.
24
Please check
volt supply.
Yeah.
Signal.
Yeah.
This one. 24 volt AC.
This one is for the earthing. Okay.
Yes.
Ground. Please check Y. Y stands for the out. Okay. Always please remember, if we are giving indications to anything, okay, that will be in the terms of only positive. Okay. And always the neutral will be the ground. Okay. So please, yeah. No, sir. Please see. The Y stands for out. Okay. Out means we will be always controlling everything just on the voltage and voltage on the terms of positive. Okay. So always the positive, like the control wire will be going to all the field devices, okay, and all the neutral can be given or cannot be given, or that can be ground, okay. Basically we can give neutral from anywhere,
Ground also, no?
yeah, okay, but the positive voltage should be given from the prior source, okay. So now please check.
In.
Yeah, out. No, just first see the like
Why out?
yeah.
Trường sa web ala mấy ala chuan cái web cái này.
Please touch here.
I trust that one, no?
This one is for positive.
Positive. The negative can be taken to ground also, no?
Yeah.
This. That is
20
neutral.
Yeah. Then,
I can try from earthing also, no?
yeah. Sure.
I'll try from earth. Earth from earth not giving.
No, earthing not will show. Basically now we have given the neutral. Okay. Their earthing is not connected.
Not
if
connected,
yeah, if the neutral is not given, then we can give it to the earthing.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you can see the 28 volt is now going. Okay. That means
This.
GI pipe के
Wait, sir, you look at it. Stick with us, better. Is it? Kuni kata na Ana esma.
इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स नाम भी तेरी पिल्ला है बोला ना A B C D 0 देखो था कि मतलब सब आज तो यूट्यूब पोस्ट देना है
Macam ni cuma pilih ni.
okay.
So hele bau.
Please see. Now which can ma'am go book. Okay. Now which digit we have turned on? It's 2, right? 2 stands for which ID? Slave ID 4. Okay. See, I have given here device ID 4. Okay. Now it's communicating. I'm getting the value. Okay. If we have assigned something, a slave ID to that particular controller, okay,
Yes.
and in the program, okay, but we have physically, like somehow by mistakenly we have given the wrong addressing, okay, then we will not able to communicate from the BMS system. Let's take, I keep any of the rest, any of the IDs keep here, okay. If I kept 1, see, received invalid response.
Yes.
Okay, but if you keep there 1, then I will be able to get that. I will keep 1.
Got it.
Okay, udah dari kali.
It's communicating. Now I will like turn on the second one also. Okay, then it will be a 3.
Lucky.
Wih, macam tu jangan saya mana mana.
First time out.
Still error is. Jung.
Okay.
Communicating.
Yeah. It's indication shown here. So we have already assigned some IDs, okay, to the prior controllers. Okay. So if you can see, this is the first controller. Okay. That coming from the integrator. So what's its name? It's the number is, even though if see I have prepared a list. Okay, I will be sharing you this list with you. Okay, see the first bifurcation I have done on the terms of floor, second on the terms of main integrator panel, third the IP address of that panel, which is also a technical term, then the integrator number, okay, then the IP address of that prior integrator. Okay, you will be just looking with this one, okay, 2, 3 and this rest 2. Okay, now if you see there is a floor. Okay, so now which is basically this floor? It's 4th floor.
Fourth floor.
So I will be going down. Yeah, it's 4th floor, right? So what is the name of that AHU 401B? Okay, so you can see here 401B. Yeah. Can you see 401B? What's its slave ID? One. Okay. In which integrator it is present? Integrator 22. So let's take if I turn off this integrator,
Let's go.
Go here.
okay. So from that prior controller, okay, if you NEC controller and you want to troubleshoot, then from which integrator it is communicating, okay. So while resolving, you have to trip down this thing, okay. Then you will be able to see from that Excel sheet, okay. You can also see the power is cut off of that prior controller. Yeah. Okay, if I turn on again, then again the power came to the controller, okay, and we will be able to communicate it again. Like this. Now we will shift up. Ma'am, you do it.
We'll take now. Definitely, I have taken, but still then we'll take it.
म गर्छु नि त सबै ढङ्गहरू
Basically, yeah, you should be the ferrule should be visible just for like your confirmation. No, let it be like that.
चाहिँ ग्रुपको सेयर आउँदैन ब्रो ताको वर्ष हुन चाहिँ म सामु हाले लामो भएन अरे लामो भएन
I'm a power miner. Fire miner.
Ang eu puro jut gajo. Ringus. Tudo 9 minutes. Tudo chamamos. Ta ko jika main चाहिँ दसै पनि भिडियो.
Hi. हात आउँदैन नि त छोड छोड
Ma'am, you do it.
We'll take now. Definitely, I have taken, but still then we'll take it.
म गर्छु नि त सबै ढङ्गहरू
Basically, yeah, you should be the ferrule should be visible just for like your confirmation. No, let it be like that.
चाहिँ ग्रुपको सेयर आउँदैन ब्रो ताको वर्ष हुन चाहिँ म सामु हाले लामो भएन अरे लामो भएन
I'm a power miner. Fire miner.
Ang eu puro jut gajo. Ringus. Tudo 9 minutes. Tudo chamamos. Ta ko jika main चाहिँ दसै पनि भिडियो
Hi. हात आउँदैन नि त छोड छोड That loose?
No, it's
Foldable.
it's to check the connection.
Oh, holding type BFT.
Do you want to take picture? But
Yes, sir.
thinking for
No, he's taking video. Stand.
okay. So this is here. Okay.
BMS क्या क्यों?
No, yeah. Basically, this is a sand telecube converter. Okay. As we have seen, this is a general information just for your knowledge. Okay, there are many types of communication protocols. Okay, also in the human language, there are many types of communication protocol. Okay, which is defined in the terms of language: English, Marathi, Hindi, Bhutanese, and everything. So there are many communication protocols for the electronics item also. Okay, that is through binary 010101. Okay, sometimes through the RS485. Okay, sometimes through the RJ485 and many other terms. Okay, so there is a communication protocol which is backnet MSTP. Okay, this is also a communication protocol, but as all the device which is installed on this site is communicating through which protocol?
RS
Yeah, right. RS485.
485.
Okay, which is Modbus, right? So but the VAV is communicating through a backnet MSTP. Okay, so somehow we have to convert the data from the backnet MSTP to Modbus. Okay, so this converter is working like that. Okay, this is basically backnet MSTP to Modbus converter. Okay, which is converting the data from Modbus to backnet MSTP and communicating between the BMS and VAV. Okay, so which we command give. Okay, we give in the terms of Modbus. Okay, so this converter converts that the term of language into backnet MSTP and give command to the prior VAV. So this converter is about that. This is the SMPS, nothing else. The relay, and this is what the converter I am talking about. Okay, which is basically temperature to voltage converter. Okay, as we cannot measure a resistance and 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, as you can see, there is no option in the multimeter also. That can be measured, but that is some special device are designed for that. Okay, because that is a very nominal voltage. Okay, so as you can see, the RWW, R stands for red, WW white, which is both are common. Okay, but in output what we will get, first of all, to work this converter, okay, we need to give them a 24 volt DC. Okay, please start the multimeter, sir.
And start, sir. DC?
DC.
To search DC now.
Yeah.
DC में पहुंच गया बराबर.
Okay, so if you see,
सब डालना पड़ गया.
okay, so if you see, P24 is written here. P24 stands for positive 24. So if I touched on the positive 24 and negative 24, are you getting 24 volt?
Yes.
Okay, so that means this is the power supply for this converter to work. Okay,
24 volt.
and now you will also able to see AI1, okay, which is plus. As I told you, there are two types of inputs and outputs. Basically, IOs, first is analog and second one is digital. Okay, and we get the feedback and we give the command only in the positive. Okay, as we control in the terms of voltage 0 to 10, negative is common. Okay, or basically sometimes negative is grounded. Okay, so if I insert the positive terminal into the analog input, okay, and the negative terminal to any common, okay, let's take to N24. What voltage you are seeing?
11.8. 11.8. 11.8.
No, sorry.
अभी आ रहा है 5.17.
Okay, so what that means?
5.17 15
Temperature.
Yeah, so what will be the temperature?
25 point kati.
Yeah, between 24 to something.
25 point
So from this thing we will be able to measure what's the temperature. Okay, so like that, this basically this converter is present. Sometimes there is a inbuilt microchip, so therefore the converter does not need, as we have the analog block in the PLC. Okay, we will be getting values in the terms of like AI, therefore this converter is present. So is there anything else? Nothing, then all things are common. Now let's move for the auto operation.
Everything mastered now.
Okay, so now it is running at the maximum speed. So let's check if I have to reduce the VFD speed. Okay, so then there are two options are there. One should not be controlled, that is from VFD, and we have given a potentiometer here. Okay, from the potentiometer, if you keep it to the maximum, now it's to the maximum, right? Okay, if you see, just sir, please you come.
Okay.
No, you come here. Okay, so I will be reducing speed slowly. You'll see here.
Oh.
Okay. So see, from this potentiometer, okay, if I reduce the speed, then see.
Adjust.
Had to say.
Okay.
Yes.
If I want to reduce more, then
Suresh sir,
I will be
last
reducing
time
more.
Suresh sir, we asked what is this. He said
Nothing.
nothing.
Just kept this.
We are wondering this.
This is potentiometer. Okay.
Potential.
Potentiometer means we can increase and decrease the potential reading. Okay, and from that there will be a AI input. As I tell you, if I like full turn on, okay, there will be a input to the VFD that I have to run on the maximum speed. That is why also reading is given. Okay, from 0 to 100%. Now it's on 100%. Okay, and you can see the arrow indication here. Okay, if I set it to in between like that, now somewhat it will be between, yeah, no, it will also go below the 40.
35.
Yeah, it's like that. From here you can control the VFD speed. Now the second condition, and before moving to the second condition, make sure, sir, please see here. Before moving to the second condition, please make sure stop. Okay. Now we don't want the control through the VFD. Okay. Then we will move it to the bypass. Bypass means there will be a no control of fan, speed of the fan, like basically control of the motor. Okay, HU motor. Now if I turn on, okay, it will run at its maximum speed. Please see. No, there you cannot see. Now it's like running at the maximum
Directly
speed.
supplies the
Yeah.
motor, no? Full speed.
So no through the VFD. You know about the VFD, right?
Yes,
Yeah, variable frequency drive, because it cannot be controlled in the voltage. That's why. So this is the basic operation. If you want to control it from the SCADA, okay, then what we will be doing? We will be keeping it to the auto and then to the
VFD.
and then the start command will be from
SCADA.
SCADA, not from here. Okay. So, sir, why are you singing? Okay. So here are also a thermostat present in each room. Okay, as I shown you there, we will be visiting one more time. Okay, so if they want manual operation, they does not want the auto operation, they want to control by themselves, then you will be putting it into the auto mode and to the VFD. Okay, sorry, to the manual mode and to the VFD. Okay, and at that condition, okay, you will be keeping an ideal speed of between 25 hertz to 30 hertz, not in the full speed. Okay,
Manual, no?
yeah.
This is nothing.
If sorry,
Nothing.
okay, but as I told you, we are making fun. But as I told you, if you like keep the full speed, okay,
That will
and
blown out.
yeah, otherwise there will be a whistling sound in the room, okay, and they cannot be controlled, okay, and there are small kids and that is very irritating to their ears, okay. Also there will be like shivering,
Vibration.
okay. So that's why it should be kept to the VFD when we are giving control to them, okay, that ma'am, you control as per your requirement, please set the set point as per your requirement and let them have the control, okay. So this is the operation, manual operation for the VAV. Auto operation we will be seeing.
AHU, VFG.
Okay, so this is basically the AHU name where the VFD is present. Okay, else anywhere VFD is not present. Okay, so for third floor, okay, as you can see, the VAV is on 3 floors: first, second, and third.
3 baby.
Yeah, total there are 3 floors. So if you go to the first floor, okay, and click on the AHU summary screen, okay, and there you will be able to see all the VAV VFDs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 VFDs in the first floor.
Only in first floor 4?
Yeah, 4 VFDs.
Where did you got Matthew?
ग्राउन्डमा छ एउटा ग्राउन्डमा
अनि level 4 na yellow so yeah.
घरमा छ अरे एउटा
घरमा
You can see there are less AHUs, okay, in first floor. Okay, as
More VFG.
yeah, as on the rest floor you will be able to see many AHU. Okay, so in the first floor there are many VAVs. Okay, so if you like Go on the first floor, AHU summary. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
AHU with VFDR or VAV. AHU does not have, no?
No, no.
Only
This is, I have written VFD, AHU, VFD because that the AHU has the VFD.
VFD.
Okay.
Ah.
So only where VAV is present, only there are VFD. Rest there are no VFD. Okay. The AHU is running on the maximum speed. Okay, like there is a VFD and bypass. Okay, so rest everywhere, everything is running in the bypass at the full speed. Only where the VAV is present, there we have the VFD.
VFD.
Clear?
Other AHU normal
No,
speed.
yeah, at the normal
If you
at the
reduce here
maximum-
temperature, fan will be rotating same speed.
Yeah, at the same
No
speed.
connection.
Yeah.
No switching down.
So here it is bifurcated like that. On the second floor,
AHU
it's same
One.
like that.
only one.
Yeah.
Mm.
And same on the
Hot.
third floor.
What you want?
I know.
Level
OT
One
also has VFD, no?
Yeah, but that has the individual operation. No?
India.
That there is a prior select PLC for that. Okay, that is controlling its speed, like modulating
When-
its speed as per the room temperature.
When there is excessive sound, the way of reducing frequency is same. Just put it in manual and reduce it.
No,
We cannot do that. We cannot toss.
as I told you, to reduce the frequency, okay, of that we like specific that AHU. Okay, we have reduced it from the VFD,
VFD.
from the setting of the VFD.
VFD.
Okay, it's like that. There is no control because there is like no manual mode. No, in manual mode it will be running at the full speed. In the auto mode, their prior PLC has the control to control its VFD speed.
And if I want, I have to go and reduce manually. No.
No, no,
None
you
of
have
that.
to do nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, we have set it to the ideal.
Right.
In the auto mode, it will modulate as per its requirement. Okay, we can like reduce the maximum speed. Okay, like the maximum speed of the VFD is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, then we
they
can
complain that
Sound.
Yalla so log tira karo logo kusamba uchirtile shkel. Tad cham dizo shidole ate betin gauge digive. Kalma chuni titu ishto. It's quite tiring na. Nisani utu ishto. Lam chi. Pa ngachi dari gachto ko lapchi so chin. Troubleshooting ko lapchi na khat mapa imiti khaskani imti videos so dira so troubleshooting anchi just verbally khatsandi verbally anabego bin chamchi kodin jiba dari watching achi gara hand to hand practical lagi gara chiti anyana joni sikaran achi practically kawale bi ishdo kare tinar YouTube channel ne chiti bi school and for the last and for not the least, thanks for watching and keep watching my videos. I will be uploading this kind of video. Stay tuned. And thank you and good night.